EDSA station. Next station. EDSA.
Oh, be careful! You can't see.
This is? What's this? Dutch.
Dutch mill.
Yeah. Thank you for this, Anaya.
Welcome. Let's cheers.
You want? Two?
Say cheers.
Oh,
A little drop came.
that's okay.
Oh, eh.
Mon?
Yeah.
Nasa dirt that's smart. Do that. Kiss kita. Kiss kita. Okay, I'll kiss you now. One.
So funny. Bye-bye.
Oh my god.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Three, two, one.
Okay.
Mababang steps namin sa Japan, 22,000.
Napaka naman yun.
Totoo lang sa pinaka-totoo lang.
10,000 nga, hirap ka pang ano yun eh. Everyday.
Gusto ko na lang maging kabuti ang araw na yun.
What's on your hand?
Spider.
Spider? I'll show it to mommy. Diane? You're so brave.
It's a spider.
Hi, Spidey. Is that your friend?
That's Spider-Man!
No. But it's not a man. It's just a spider.
Hi, Spider.
Now you're Spider-Woman because you have a friend Spider.
Spider-Man.
Good day to Mama.
A spider pizza.
Spidey! Spider.
Show it to Lola.
Spider.
Spider.
It went on my arm. Silly spider.
Hindi naman nangangagat yan, no?
Yeah.
Guys.
Again, again.
Hi guys.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Dodge milk.
Again, but what's the flavor? No.
Strawberry.
Yeah. Have
Not,
a
not orange anymore. Smile.
one. Kiss. Me. Wow. How are you doing, guys?
Good.
Are you doing good?
Yeah.
That's nice.
No, I am. I'm guys.
Guys.
No, I'm not guys.
Hi.
I'm in the
I'm Nicole, and this is
Anaya.
That's my Dutch mill, remember?
let's give some attachment to Daddy.
I don't know.
Ours.
Ay, anak, that's not nice. You don't know how to share?
Let's
I will not share with you
Tito.
anymore, ha?
Oh no, let's share with Tito
I'm not gonna
Joshua.
share. I don't want it. I don't want it.
Let's share with
I don't
Tito
want. I
Joshua.
will not share anymore because Sharing is not caring.
Sharing is caring talaga.
Sharing is
Asa ka
not
na?
caring, okay?
No.
No, sharing is not caring because you don't share.
Oh, you share na.
I don't want.
Oh no, you share.
Sharing is not caring. I don't care.
Go give daddy.
Yeah, go. Go follow daddy. Go follow daddy and give some. Give some dash to daddy. Come on, daddy. You follow him. Upstairs, come on. Will you share dash meal next time to daddy? Hmm? Yes. Talaga pwedeng magtawagin mo na sa ano, sino yung best friend ni tita. Let's call a friend na.
Tip nga kasi.
Alam mo, kung ba't ganyan kayo? Duct tape, di ba?
Ako mga sakit ba?
Basama. Tingnan mo, oh. Butyl. Oo. Ba't di niyo nakita, butyl?
Tinanong ko siya, duct tape ba?
Bakit ka mo?
Tapos tinanong ko yung
Kailangan natin matuyo ito eh. Huwag masyado, baka mabasa.
I'm closer. Cause you have the phone.
Look at her. At ang masasabi po natin ay,
Bakit naman walang pedestrian dito sa Perth?
thank you, Lord. So bagal. What you doing there? Default face. Open the door, Tito Dada.
Yeah, I opened the door.
Wow! Maganda dito kung umaga eh.
Sana tinawagan nyo na agad, no?
Light.
Anong tinawagan?
Ito. Sana kasi ginanggising ka ng alas 5, hindi nagpa-baby ka pa.
Kaya nga, sana ginising mo kasi kami.
Pa-bebe. Pa-bebe.
Ginising ka daw.
Fly.
Kami ang pa-baby girls. Ako po si Joshua and si Daniel.
It's a nice place.
Presentation natin.
Tsaka ba? Ito.
First, if may questions, concerns, clarifications, just message me. So, ayun, ako na yung
Go dance! 1, 2, 3. O, di ba parang para sa'yo ito?
Ay, ang ganda.
Wow! Ang galing naman ng baby namin!
Ay, man na yan.
Ang galing naman ng baby namin!
Wala nga, hindi marunong eh.
La.
Sige po.
Sa pa kayo na.
Sige na. Closer ka ngayon. Tapos na. 1, 2, 3, smile. Lakasan mo.
Very good!
Thank you, Naya.
Mirror shot. Galing naman ng bata. Mirror shot. ketchup. Tiki-tiki. Sweet yarn. And where's the daughter?
Nasaan sila?
Ito lang. Who's coming? Who's coming? Who's coming? What a beautiful baby. Okay, let's go na.
Upstairs.
Yeah. Okay, go. Si Cinderella yan. Cinderella who?
Kasi mag-aalas 12 na ba?
Dami to.
Ang dami, grabe. Talaga mo.
See, go. Wait. Just wait. Okay. Careful ha. 1, 2, 3.
Your turn.
Malakas ang signal. Very good.
May wifi dito.
Hindi, nakadata na ako. Meron naman daw 60 minutes lang. Pero ano lang din. Mabagal din. What? Is it a paper or what? What's that? Again. I miss scissors. Okay, wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Yes, kaping mainit. Kaping mainit.
Sanday kayo nyo siya.
Near Road Station.
So guys, grabe. Our presentation went well, especially my part. I mean, I didn't expect kasi it's like a 1 hour preparation kasi nga, puyat ako. Ano, bumiyahe pa ako from Cavite, dire-diretso here in Manila. So, Lord, thank you so much. You know, grabe. Galing ng Lord. Like, grabe.